Welcome Arithmetic Ninjas to question number 29, and this is a magic zero long multiplication. Now this one is going to be worth 2 marks on your arithmetic paper. Now if you don't get the answer exactly right, well obviously if you get it exactly right you get 2 marks, but if you don't get it exactly right you might still get 1 mark as long as you haven't made lots and lots of errors in your working out. So basically the magic zero method, we need to create some lines for working out, and we're going to need 3 lines of working out. Okay, so on the top line we're going to start by multiplying everything in the top row, the 5, the 4, the 1 and the 3 by 6, and we always go 6 3s, 6 1s, 6 4s, 6 5s in that order. So 6 3s, 6 1s, 6 4s, 6 5s in that order. So here we go. 6 3s are 18, put the 8 in, carry the 1. 6 1s are 6, plus 1 is 7. 6 4s are 24, put the 4 in, carry the 2. 6 5s are 30, plus the 2 is 32. Put the 2 in, carry the 3. As soon as we've finished on the 5 there, that 3 now can just go straight in. Now what I always encourage people to do here is just to scribble out the carried digits, because we've already used them and we don't want to accidentally try and use them again later on. So on the next line, that's the 6 done with. We've times by the 6. Now we need to times everything by 8. This 8 here. But remember, this 8 doesn't mean 8. It's part of 86. So it actually means 80. Now to times by 80, the trick you do is to put the magic 0 in and then times by 8. Timesing by 80 means put the magic 0 in and then times by 8. So we do 8 3s, 8 1s, 8 4s, 8 5s in that order. 8 3s, 8 1s, 8 4s, 8 5s. 8 3s is 24, so put the 4 in, carry the 2. 8 1s are 8, plus 2 is 10, put the 0 in, carry the 1. 8 4s are 32, plus the 1 just carries 33, put the 3 in, carry the 3. And 8 5s are 40, plus 3 is 43, put the 3 in, carry the 4. But as soon as we're done, we can just put the 4 straight in. So again, scribble out the carried digits because we don't want to accidentally include them when we're adding up in a second. Now the final answer is to add the 2 rows together. 8 plus 0 is 8, 7 plus 4 is 11, put the 1 in, carry the 1. 4 plus 0 plus 1 is 5, 2 plus 3 is 5, 3 plus 3 is 6, and then the 4 in the final column is just a 4. So your final answer, as long as you haven't made any mistakes, is 465,518. Remember to put the comma in to help you read the number. You count 3 digits from the end of the number and put the comma. And that comma separates out your thousands from your hundreds, tens and your units. 465,518.